the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouthwater, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making garlic noodles. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 garlic cloves minced, 4 green onions chopped. I have the green part of the onion, just a little bit for garnish at the end. 1 cup of parmesan cheese grated. All-purpose adobo light seasoning. Crushed red pepper flakes. Also have 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/4 cup of low sodium soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil, and also we have thin spaghetti. Okay guys, the first thing you want to do is set your oven to 400 degrees. So we're going to take a head of garlic and we're just going to cut off the top part. Okay, you want to do just like so. We're going to keep this because we're also going to need minced garlic. So what I'm going to do now is get my all-purpose adobo light seasoning and a tablespoon of olive oil. I'm going to go ahead and sit my head of garlic in the bowl. Then I'm going to pour my olive oil over top. And also season it with the adobo light seasoning. Now you want to take a piece of aluminum foil, place your head of garlic in it, and we're just going to wrap it. Once it's wrapped, you want to put it in your oven at 400 degrees for 40 minutes. Okay guys, you want to put a pot of water on to boil, and you do want to add salt to it. Now I'm just going to add my thin spaghetti in, and we're going to cook it according to the box. Okay guys, as you can see, our roasted garlic is now done. Okay guys, to a heated pan, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil. We're going to bring that to temperature. Now we're just going to take our head of garlic and squeeze it into the frying pan. Okay, now we're just going to smash it down and break it apart some. Now you want to add your minced garlic in. I'm going to let that saute for about a minute or so. You want the heat on medium. Okay guys, now you can add your scallions in, your green onions. And go ahead and mix them around and let them cook up with the garlic. Also guys, after 6 minutes, you want to take your pasta out the water and go ahead and drain it. And you want to reserve a 1/2 cup of your pasta water. So give this a couple minutes to saute. Okay guys, now we're going to add our oyster sauce. Our soy sauce, our chicken bouillon, and also our sesame oil. And we're going to mix it until it's well combined. You can also add in some of your red pepper flakes. Give that a nice stir. Now you want to go ahead and add your noodles in. Go ahead and mix that around. Okay guys, at this time you want to add in your half a cup of pasta water. That'll thin your sauce out for you. And just mix it real well. Get it all through your noodles. Okay guys, now we're going to add in our cup of grated parmesan cheese. And you want to mix until it's all through your noodles and melt it. Okay guys, all we're going to do now is sprinkle some more red pepper flakes on top. And we're going to also add some of our green onion for color. Okay guys, so here we have it, our garlic noodles. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.